Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with Google Sheets and thought, I wish I could create my own custom functions to make data processing easier, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use the brand new Lambda function in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build your own formulas just like the pros and save yourself tons of time on repetitive calculations. So let's jump right in. Alright, imagine you've got a list of employee base salaries and you need to quickly add a fixed bonus, say $500 to each one. Sure, you could type equals B2 plus 500 in every row, but what if you want something faster, neater, and more reusable? That's where Google Sheets' new Lambda function comes in. Let's start by typing out our function. Click on the first cell where you want your calculated salary to appear. Let's say that's cell C2. Now you'll want to enter equals Lambda base salary plus 500 B2. Let's break down exactly what's happening here so you don't have to just copy and paste blindly. First up, Lambda is a nifty tool that allows you to create customized mini functions directly inside your spreadsheet. Think of it like building a personalized calculator for your specific task. In this example, you're telling Google Sheets, hey, whenever I give you a base salary, add 500 to it and give me the result. Simple, right? So as you're typing Lambda base salary plus 500, the first part within the parentheses base salary sets up a placeholder, almost like a variable or a box waiting to hold the number you'll give it. The second part after the comma is the instruction, take that number and add 500. Then outside another set of parentheses you put B2. This is where the magic happens. You're telling Google Sheets, put whatever's in cell B2 into this function and show me the result. Hit enter and voila, you should see the salary from B2 plus that bonus of 500 pop up in your cell. If you don't see a calculation or get an error, double check your parentheses. It's easy to miss one or accidentally put B2 inside the function body instead of outside. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries, even seasoned spreadsheet users slip up every now and then. Now that you've got your formula working in the first cell, it's time to save yourself a ton of manual work. Hover over the corner of the cell until you see the little blue square. This is the fill handle. Click, then drag that down along the rest of your salary column. Google Sheets will automatically apply your custom Lambda function to each row, adjusting the reference for you. It's like making your own little assembly line for salary calculations, and it's incredibly satisfying to watch. And that's all there is to it. Using Lambda functions can feel a bit unfamiliar at first, but once you get the hang of it, they open up a whole new world of flexibility in Google Sheets. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets function you'd like to see explained. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.